Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday. Just got done cleaning and putting my kitchen back together after the ant invasion yesterday. I don't know how many days in a row this has been going on, but it's clean. So everything's back to normal. Knives are back in place. Everything's been scrubbed down, cleaned. This was the affected area. They were getting close to my herb and spice library, which could have devastating effects if they get into those jars, because ants can get into almost anything if their little buggers want to. So yesterday, I prepared in a lengthy process, because everything was from scratch except for the tortillas and the cheese. But you know what I'm saying. The chicken enchilada suiza. Perfect. Yummy. Yes. Robin, my Mexican food lover, absolutely loved it. So we have very little leftovers. I will post the recipe, but I have to tell you that I did a lot of modifications on my own to this recipe. So this recipe could be a little bland for you, but I'll post it and let you do your modifications. I'm not cooking today because Robin's going to is in Oakland. She won't be home till later on this evening. So today I'm actually going to be filming my first series segment for the Young People Cooking series. Today I'm doing basic tools and gadgets, so that should take me a good part of the day. So on this, right now, looks like dreary. It's like spitting and raining outside. My cat just blew back in. Yes, Kiko the Siamese. So on this day, stay safe, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.